Right, welcome back guys. So in our last video, we looked at the addition and the subtraction of matrix. We looked at the addition and the subtraction of matrix. And what was the summary of the whole concept? We said that we cannot add or subtract a matrix if they are not of the same order. So if the matrices are not of the same order, we cannot add or subtract. So in today's video, we'll be looking at multiplication of matrix, multiplication of matrix, multiplication of matrix. So, we'll tell you what you need to know before we now solve questions, right? So now the condition that is necessary for adding or subtracting matrix does not hold for multiplying two matrices. It is possible for you to multiply two matrices that are not of the same order. But there are two types of multiplication in matrices. We have the scalar, we have the scalar multiplication, and we also have the vector multiplication. Now, what is the scalar multiplication? What is the scalar multiplication? Now, the scalar multiplication is just if I have a scalar, this number, or I have a and it's been multiplied by, let's say, 2, 1, 2, 3. So, what's scalar multiplication? It takes all the individual elements. We multiply the constant by what? By all the individual elements. So, this is 2a to a, and this is what? A, and this is 3a. You can see that now. So, let's use that of numbers. Let's use that of numbers. Let's say we have example 1, example 2. Let's say if I have 2 and it's being multiplied with 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. It's being multiplied with something like this, and this is going to be what? 2 times 2 is what? 4, and 2 times 2, 4, 4, 2, 4, and what? 8. So this is a what? A scalar multiplication. This is how we carry out our scalar multiplication. This is how we carry out our scalar multiplication. Very simple and straightforward. So in general, we can say that given that A is equal to, given that A is equal to A11, the 12, and okay, let's still use A21 and A22. Now, if I want to evaluate KA, if I want to evaluate KA, what will KA be? That's going to be what? KA11, KA12, KA21, KA2, AA sub 2 2. Can you see that now? So this is going to be the what? The value. And this is the idea that, or this is the guidance that we'll be using in evaluating uh, scalar multiplication. Can you see that now? Okay. Now, still on that scalar multiplication so that we will not miss out on any point. Let's try this. Let's try this. If A is equal to, if A is equal to 3, 6 minus 8, and 2 minus 1, 5, and B is equals to 12 minus 10, 5, 15, 0, and minus 8. This is a question, and you are told to evaluate 2a minus 1 over 4 B. Yes. 2A minus 1 over 4B. So how do I do this? How do I do this? The first thing you do, you can split it or you can do it together. But just to avoid confusion, let's work on 2A. So what's 2A going to be? 2 times every of the entries in A. That's 2 times 3, that's 6, 12, negative 16. I have 4, negative 2, and I have 10. So you can see that this is 2A. Let's look at 1 over 4B. What does 1 over 4B means? I use 1 over 4 to multiply everything in B. That's 12 over 4, 15 over 4, right? Minus 10 over 4, 5 over 4, 0 over 4, and I have minus 8 over what? 4. Are you seeing that now? So if I reduce this to its lowest term, what will I have? I'll be having 3, right? Minus 5 over 2, and this to give me 0. And I have 15 over 4. And what will this last row give me? 5 over 4, and I will have negative 2. So what will I be working with? What will I be working with? So let's write it here so that we can scroll up. So 2a minus 1 over 4b is I have 6, I have 6, I have 4, I have 12, I have minus 8, I have minus 16, and I have 10. And see, then minus, what's this? I have 3 minus 5 over 2 minus 5 over 4. I have 15 over 4. I have 0, and I have minus 2. So let's evaluate this. Let's evaluate this. Now, in doing this, this is testing your knowledge on what? On fraction. On fraction. So you have to be very careful. So this is going to be what? 6 minus 3, right? And I have what? 12 minus 5 over 2. Are you seeing it now? Very careful. That's 16 minus 16 minus 5 over 4. Are you seeing it? So this is 4 minus 15 over 4. And this is minus 8 minus 0. And this is 10 minus 2. So we have this. So let's simplify. Let's simplify. And this is equal to, let's take out all the signs. This is going to be what? 3, 12 minus 5 over 2. And this is going to be minus 16 minus 5 over 4. And this is going to be 4 minus 15 over 4, and this is minus 8, and this is going to be what? 10 plus 2. See that now? So by the time you take your fraction and you evaluate, what's going to be your final answer? Is 3, and I have 14, 1 over 2, and I have negative 17, 1 over 4. And we're having 12 here, right? 10 plus 2 is 12, negative 8, and 4 minus 15 over 4 will give me 1 over 4. You just find the LCM. 4 in 4, 16. 16 minus 15 is 1, and that is 1 over 4. So this gives us the what? The answer. And see that now? That gives us the answer as what we have here. Give us the answer as what we have here. So it is very simple and straightforward. Nothing new, still the same thing. Still the same thing. So in the next video, we'll be looking at matrix multiplication. We'll be looking at matrix multiplication, and for that matrix multiplication, that is where most students find it what difficult. But not to worry, we're going to help you out to break it down into something that you can relate with. So it's going to be the end of this video. Bye. So you can follow us. So the moment we drop the next video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Bye.